boys and girls, today we're on lesson 138. We're going to review some trigraphs, but first we're going to review some letter sounds. All right. Number 1, we're going to do some simple ones here. Number 1, P. Number 2, O. Number 3, L. Final sound, LL. Number 4, M. Number 5, Q. Number 6, WH. Number 7, CH. Number 8, SH. Number 9, bull. That's final stable syllable, BLE. And number 10 is shun. Final stable syllable, TION. Alright, make sure you have all of those written down. We are going to move on to our trigraphs. We had IGH, TCH, and DGE. So a trigraph has 3 letters and they blend together. To make a sound. Alright, we are going to write their keyword for each of these pictures. Our IGH is light. Our TCH is patch. And our DGE is bridge. Alright, when we code these, we underline them, and then we're going to cross off anything that we don't say in those words. So in bridge, we only say the G, so we cross off the D and the E. In patch, we only say the CH, so we're going to cross off the T. And in IGH, we don't say the G, we don't say the H, and our I gets a macron. It says its name, I, in there. Alright, let's practice spelling some words. We, on number 11, are going to spell right. So we have our and then our IGH and T. Right. On number 12, we're going to spell match. And then our TCH. Number 13, we're going to spell bridge. And then our DGE. Number 14, we're going to spell light, LIGH, light. Number 15, we're going to spell badge, and then DGE. Number 16, we're going to spell catch, catch. Alright, make sure you have these down. We're going to go on and code our words. Number 17 is crutches. We're going to box off our ES. We're going to underline our TCH and mark off our T. And then our U gets a brev, our C gets the K back. Number 18, we have nighttime. This is a compound word. We have night and time. So we're going to draw a line between the two. Here we have I consonant E. The E gets marked off, the I gets a macron. And then we have our IGH trigraph, mark off our G and our H, and our I gets a macron. Number 19, we have stretching. We're going to box off our ING suffix, underline our TCH. We're going to mark off the T, and then we have E gets a brev. Number 20, we have dodgeball. So dodge and ball, 2 different words. We have our DGE, and mark off the D, mark off the E. Our O gets a brev. Over here on ball, our A gets those 2 little dots. That shows us that the A makes that aw sound like an O. 21 is tightrope. That is also a compound word. we're going to draw a line between tight and rope. Here we have O consonant E, mark the E off, the O gets a macron. Then we have I, G, H, the G gets marked off, so is the H, and the I gets a macron. Make sure you have these down. We're going to do another, I'm going to erase and we're going to use another page. I'm tired of squishing them all in there. All right, number 22, we have a ledge. So we have our DGE trigraph. I'm going to mark off the E and the D. Our E gets a brev there. 23, we have highway, compound word, high and way. We'll draw a line between the two. Here we have our AY digraph. The Y gets marked off, the A gets a macron, and then here we have IGH, and our I gets a macron, our G and our H get marked off. 24, we have thigh bone. Two separate words, thigh and bone. O consonant E, E gets marked off, O gets a macron, and then here we have IGH, GH marked off, I gets macron, and here we have our TH digraph. Lastly, we have 25, it's hutch. Here we have our TCH trigraph. We mark off our T, and our U gets brev. Make sure you have all of those down. And then you're going to do the back of your worksheet. On the back, you are reading the paragraph and answering the questions. All right, I'll see you next time.